Okay, this is going to be part one for our pirate ship video. First thing you're going to do from your Sketchup, sketchup.com/app, or the home screen, you're going to go to create a new model. We're going to create from a feet and inches template. So we want to make sure that we are in feet and inches. So we're going to click to create a sample template from feet and inches. The very first thing that we want to do is rename this so that we can save this. So we're going to call this pirate Playhouse. Now yours will have your name in it. So we're just going to do that. I've already got one. So I'm going to create one here. I'm going to hit OK. And you will need to select a folder that you would like to save this to. So when it comes up, it'll save it to the folder. And if you have not, you should already have your SketchUp folder, but if you don't, you want to create a folder called SketchUp, which is where your SketchUp models will go. And you hit select, and that will tell you that it is saving and your model is saved. Anytime that you're up here that you need to make a change, it'll say save. So like we're going to get rid of temple. See how it says save? I can hit the save button to make sure that I'm saving my work exactly where I'm at. So first thing we want to do is we're going to create our base for our ship. So we're going to choose our rectangle tool. We're going to click and release once. We're going to choose the rectangle tool. We're going to click to select it. We're going to go to the point of origin, which is where the green, the blue, and the red all come together, the axes, and it'll say origin point. I'm going to click and release once. And then I'm going to start to move my mouse or my finger on the trackpad so I can start to see my shape here. And without doing anything else, I'm going to type in the number 8, the foot symbol, which is next to the enter key, a single quote, comma, 6, and the foot symbol next to the single quote, and hit the enter key. And that will give me an 8 foot by 6 foot base for my pirate ship. From here, I'm going to go back over and I'm going to select my line tool. So I'm going to click once to open the drawer. I'm going to click once to select the line tool. My pencil marker turns on. I'm going to go to this front leading edge and I can see it'll let me know with the dots of where I'm at. And as I move along, I'm along the edge and you see when it's the end point on edge, what you're looking for is midpoint. It'll turn cayenne. So once I get to the midpoint, oh, there it is, midpoint. I'm going to click and release once to drop my pencil so I can start drawing. When I bring my pencil out, I want to bring it out along the red axis so it's going to stay in line going lengthwise. If you get off, if you move your mouse, it'll change the color. You can go along the blue axis, the black axis. We want to keep it along the red axis. And we're just going to type in 4 foot and hit the enter key. And now my pencil is still down and connected, and all I'm going to do is connect to one endpoint. So I'm going to move to the endpoint, click once to release. That's going to get rid of my pencil. Go back to my endpoint, click once to drop my pencil to start drawing. I'm going to go back and connect to this endpoint, and that has filled in the base of my ship. Now I need to get rid of those inside lines, so I'm going to hit the eraser mark. I'm just going to erase out my interior lines, which will give me the base of my pirate ship. From here, I'm going to choose my push-pull tool. I'm going to click once to open the drawer. I'm going to click once to select push-pull. I'm going to move to where I can see, and I'm going to scroll my wheel in a little bit so you guys can see this. You get like these blue dots, lets you know that you're selecting it. I'm going to click once to start my push-pull, like to grab onto it. I'm going to start to move up. I'm going to do 1.5, and then I'm going to do the foot symbol, hit the enter key. It's going to give me 1.5, 1 foot 6 inches. And then I'm going to click my select tool, which is just the arrow, and I want to click everything all together. So if I click once, I select just one face. I click a second time, I click a third time. 3 clicks real fast will select the entire model. 1, 2, 3. Everything turns blue, so I've selected my entire model. So I'm going to move this entire model as a group. I'm going to click on my move tool, click once to select move. I'm going to click once to grab my model, and I'm going to move it straight up along. I want to move it along the blue axis. So what I want to do is if I see if I can get it here on the blue axis, I'm just going to go straight up, and I'm going to put 3, the foot symbol, and I'm going to move my ship up 3 feet. And that is the base of your pirate ship. This is part 1 of our pirate ship Playhouse.